Box squat teaches you how to sit back and use your hip, and preventing knees from caving during the action. Squats are considered a vital exercise for increasing the strength and size of the legs and buttocks, as well as developing core strength. Stand up straight and put your feet wider than shoulder width. Straighten your arms in front of you. Sit back by breaking the hips and making a counterbalance with your arms forward. Keep your weight on a whole foot and keep your chest up. Your knees should not go past your toes. Raise back to the starting position.